Breaking news as several people are waking up to some minor damage and power outages this morning.
This after a string of storms passed through East Tennessee.
This is a look right now at those overnight storms in Knox County. First up, WATE meteorologist Ken Weathers shot this around 1 a.m. from our studios right here in North Knoxville. At the time, he estimated winds from about 35 to 40 miles per hour. We're told these types of winds could cause some tree limbs to come down and or power outages.
And we're also learning 2 people were reportedly injured overnight in Meigs County after a strong winds caused some mobile home to roll over. No word on their condition at this hour.
And we are keeping up with the power outages in the area this morning. This is a look at Knoxville Utility Board's outage map. Right now, they're reporting over 2,000 outages. At one point, KUB was reporting over 12,000 customers that were in the dark. Other electric providers like Alcoa Electric Department and Sevier County Electric also reporting upwards of 1,000 outages overnight. They've been working very hard overnight to restore that power.
Yeah, and they're getting to it. That's